In recent years, tensions between the United States and China have been escalating, particularly in the realm of military technology. These two nations, both technological superpowers, have been locked in an ongoing rivalry, with each seeking to outpace the other in innovation, military prowess, and strategic positioning. One of the most significant recent developments in this competition is the unveiling of the United States laser-equipped aircraft carrier, a groundbreaking system designed to counter China's growing drone threat. This video will explore the capabilities of this new system and assess how it might alter the balance of power between the US and China. Rising tensions between the US and China. The relationship between the United States and China has become increasingly strained over the years, with diplomatic relations deteriorating despite numerous talks and efforts to improve cooperation. A pivotal moment in this evolving dynamic was the summit between US President Joe Biden and Chinese President Xi Jinping, which focused on topics like strategic stability and climate change. However, significant disagreements remain in other areas, including security, economics, and human rights. The US has taken steps to challenge China's growing influence, including diplomatic boycotts of events like the Beijing Olympics and the imposition of trade restrictions on Chinese companies. Meanwhile, China continues to assert its position, confident that its rise as a global power is inevitable despite criticism from the West. Both nations view each other as a significant competitor, with the US seeing China as a potential threat to global security and democracy, while China views the US as trying to suppress its rise. These differing perspectives have only intensified the rivalry, making the South China Sea a critical focal point for military tension. The growing threat of China's technological advances. China's military ambitions are vast, with a particular focus on technological advancements that could challenge the US dominance. One such advancement is China's burgeoning drone technology, which has the potential to overwhelm traditional military defenses, including aircraft carriers. China has rapidly developed unmanned aerial vehicles capable of performing a wide array of tasks, from surveillance to electronic warfare. These drones are growing in sophistication, and the Chinese military has articulated a clear strategy for using them in conventional warfare scenarios, including potential swarm attacks on US aircraft carriers. In response to this growing threat, the US Navy has developed its own cutting-edge technologies, one of which is the laser-equipped aircraft carrier. This system is part of the US Navy's ongoing efforts to stay ahead in the technological arms race. The US Laser Aircraft Carrier, a revolutionary development. The introduction of the US Navy's laser-equipped aircraft carrier, featuring the Helios system, marks a revolutionary advancement in naval defense technology. This system has been specifically designed to address emerging threats in modern warfare, particularly those posed by the growing use of drone swarms and advanced anti-ship missiles. With the ability to release over 60 kilowatts of energy, Helios can target and neutralize objects at a range of up to 5 miles, offering a highly precise and rapid response solution to modern military challenges. Integrated into the US Navy's Arleigh Burke-class destroyers, Helios enhances the Navy's capability to counter multiple simultaneous threats effectively, an essential feature in today's increasingly complex combat scenarios. The laser system's cost efficiency is one of its standout features. Unlike traditional missile defense systems that require costly reloading and are limited by the amount of ammunition on board, Helios operates using the ship's existing power supply, offering virtually unlimited shots without the need for expensive ammunition. This makes it particularly effective in dealing with smaller, less expensive threats, like drones and small boats, that would otherwise require costly missile intercepts. Additionally, the integration of this technology into existing ships allows for a seamless transition into operational use, expanding the US Navy's defense capabilities without the need for completely new ship designs. In modern naval warfare, where the number of threats is increasing while the cost of traditional defense systems rises, Helios offers an invaluable advantage. Its versatility, high energy output, and integration into existing platforms allow for a more efficient use of resources, ultimately reshaping the Navy's approach to defense and deterrence. The successful deployment of Helios could significantly enhance the U.S. Navy's strategic position, providing a cutting-edge tool to secure maritime dominance against evolving threats from adversaries like China and Russia. How Helios works: an in-depth look at the technology. Developed by Lockheed Martin, Helios is designed to be a versatile, powerful defense system that can engage a range of targets. This laser system has the ability to target both small drones and boats, offering a unique solution for neutralizing low-cost threats in high-stakes naval confrontations. Unlike traditional missile systems that require frequent reloading and are expensive to maintain, Helios uses energy from the ship's existing power supply, meaning it has virtually unlimited ammunition at a fraction of the cost of conventional weapons. The main benefit of Helios is its ability to destroy or disable threats rapidly. In the case of drones, the system can disable sensors or destroy the aircraft in a matter of seconds, drastically reducing the time required to respond to an incoming threat. This ability to react quickly and decisively is crucial, especially in scenarios where drone swarms are deployed as part of a strategic attack. Helios can also provide enhanced surveillance capabilities, giving the U.S. Navy an edge in monitoring and countering potential threats before they escalate. The system is designed to be adaptable, allowing it to function as part of a larger defense strategy that integrates with other systems on the ship. The strategic impact of Helios. The introduction of the Helios system marks a transformative moment in naval defense technology, emphasizing cost efficiency, versatility, and rapid response capabilities. Unlike traditional missile-based systems, lasers do not rely on costly ammunition, making them ideal for defending against low-cost threats like drone swarms, which are increasingly used in modern combat. Helios' ability to neutralize these drone swarms swiftly offers a strategic advantage, particularly in high-stakes areas like the South China Sea, where both the U.S. and China have competing interests. If proven successful, Helios could become a game-changer, enabling the U.S. Navy to counter China's rapidly expanding unmanned aerial vehicle and anti-ship missile capabilities. This technological leap not only strengthens the U.S. Navy's deterrent power, but also enhances its capacity to maintain dominance in contested maritime regions, ensuring continued strategic superiority in the face of evolving threats. The global race for laser technology. While the U.S. is leading the charge in deploying laser technology on its warships, other global powers are also investing heavily in similar systems. China and Russia are both researching and developing their own laser technologies, though they currently lag behind the U.S. in terms of capability and deployment. Russia, for instance, has claimed to be using a laser system known as Zadira in the ongoing conflict in Ukraine, though there is skepticism about its true effectiveness. Experts believe that laser systems will become more common in the coming years as nations seek cost-effective solutions to counter the proliferation of unmanned aerial vehicle and other low-cost threats. As the U.S. refines its laser systems, its competitors are likely to pursue similar advancements, leading to a new arms race in directed energy weapons. Helios and the future of naval defense. The successful integration of the Helios laser system into the U.S. Navy will mark a major shift in naval defense technology. The system's effectiveness depends on its ability to operate efficiently under real-world conditions and integrate seamlessly with existing defense systems. While initial tests aboard Arleigh Burke-class destroyers have shown promise, the full potential of Helios will be realized once it is deployed in different operational settings. A key challenge will be its ability to engage multiple threats simultaneously, including drones, missiles, and small boats. Helios' modular design allows it to be adaptable across various ship classes, with scalable power up to 120 kilowatt. Ongoing development will refine both the laser's capabilities and its operational strategies. As laser technology becomes a central part of naval defense, it will offer cost-effective solutions against emerging threats, especially smaller, cheaper ones like drones. The geopolitical implications. The U.S. Navy's Helios laser-equipped aircraft carrier carries significant geopolitical implications amid rising tensions with China. As both nations vie for military dominance, Helios not only enhances defense capabilities, but also sends a clear message of U.S. technological superiority. With escalating threats from China's missile and drone advancements, Helios offers a cost-effective, precise countermeasure. This system strengthens the U.S. Navy's strategic position in the Pacific, deterring Chinese aggression. Moreover, it demonstrates the U.S.'s commitment to maintaining a technological edge in a rapidly evolving arms race. As China and Russia advance their own directed energy weapons, Helios' flexibility and scalability ensure the U.S. remains dominant in naval defense. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and subscribe for more exciting updates. Got thoughts on laser-powered aircraft carriers? Drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss out on future videos. See you in the next one.